The nonprofit Children at Risk started its Texas tour today. Leaders with that group are talking about new data with communities here in Texas.
They say it shows affordable child care remains out of reach for many Texas families. Before the upcoming legislative session in January, they want to remind lawmakers that child care should be front and center.
It is time for the state of Texas to prioritize working families and strengthen the economy by investing in the systems. Because when children of working families have the supports they need to care for children and provide for their families, our entire economy improves and Texas thrives.
Children at Risk members say they are doing what they can, but they are only providing scholarships to a fraction of the families that qualify. They also say 51% of Texas zip codes are child care deserts. In Austin, 31 zip codes fall into that category. That means about 560,000 low-income children do not have access to the child care they need. And though the number of child care centers went back to pre-pandemic levels, family child care homes are still down 18% since 2018. According to the nonprofit, this mainly impacts rural communities and communities of color. Right now, the average family spends about $13,000 a year on child care.
Travis County, the city of Austin, and other local organizations are working to help offset the costs and some staffing issues as well. About a year ago, Austin City Council unanimously changed zoning rules for child care. They can now open in 255% more areas and for less money. At the time, council members told us they hoped it would be just the beginning.
It's certainly one step and one tool in the toolkit. There's still so much more that our city needs to be doing to truly ensure that every family can afford a daycare center for their child.
Now, in the year since that change from City Council, Workforce Solutions added a salary stipend to help child care workers make a living wage in Austin. Right now, it uses the American Rescue Plan Act funds to help child care workers get the stipend. That money is now running out, however. Travis County is trying to fill the gap, and in less than a month, Travis County voters will make the final decision on Proposition A. Travis County commissioners approved putting the measure on the ballot last spring. Property owners would pay another 2.5 cents per $100 valuation in their property taxes. Now, for the average homeowner, that's about $10 more per month. Commissioners say the measure would generate about $75 million for child care and after-school programs. KVUE's been talking with parents this fall about the measure. They say they need a solution.
I don't say this lightly, it's nearly impossible to find infant toddler spots in particular right now. We weren't prepared for the financial reality. It was a second mortgage every month.
Opponents of the proposition say they do not want another tax to pay.